time to go in. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Okay. Ryder, come on. Let's go inside. Excuse me. Hello. Ryder, let's go inside. You've had your extra long walk. Come on. Hey. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's go inside. It's cold out here, buddy. Come on. Usually you jump up when the camera's on you because you don't like it. All right, come on. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Ryder. Hey, today I need to go in and work. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ryder. Stop being difficult. Come up.